2000 something when
We
I
were
moved to
happy.
Kings Road and family
Kailan lang
members,
tuloy-tuloy
being
yung
resident
podcast na
was
yun?
my interior designer. I was moving everything from my one house to
Ano nang
another
atake
house.
niyo, mga alaga?
It's amazing. She's so organized. She's gonna come and help you, and then we just became best friends. We had so much fun together. Started traveling all around the world. She was the one who was very organized, and I was the one who was very disorganized. So we made an amazing team, and we just had the best fun together.
It's just cool to see now, like all of you again going in different directions, like Kim, what she's built, what you have built. It's cool that you've like back in the day were going like drinking with these girls and partying, and now everyone kind of has like built their own empires, and I like love that for the girls.
I love it just to see so many of my friends and so many women building their empires and businesses, and just girls are taking over the world.
They are. How did you navigate dating in your early 20s when so many eyeballs were on you? Like, did you even enjoy yourself?
Anong ganap? May
Hard to
isip
find
mo?
privacy because the
Kapag-
moment I left my
kapag
house,
ululan.
I went to bed at night, there was 50 cars waiting outside with paparazzi.
Saan ka rin daw ang
I had
visual?
no privacy whatsoever. Anytime, like an event, if I even
Ganyan.
spoke to a guy, like all of a sudden the next day it would say that we were dating. Like, there's just been so many things in the media of guys that I didn't even know. I knew it once, and then the media would just make up all these stories. And just having to trust someone, because a lot of these guys wanted that attention. So it was hard to figure out like who to actually trust.
Yeah. Would you say you were the type of girl that was like a relationship girl or like a single girly? Like, what were you up to?
What to see is host. Where are you going
Really? I love relationships, like me being in love, like that's my favorite thing. But I also get bored so easily. So
Ba't mo nung mic? Parang
I
Eris.
didn't even
Gabo
know
ka rin
who
na
I
yun.
was, and I didn't
Titigil ko rin to kasi hindi ko rin nakakausap yung mga tao.
just like I don't know, so many bad
Bahagya
things would
lang.
happen to me. People would
Nag-makeup lang, so bababayan
and
mo.
I would have not only been humiliated, then publicly all around the world, people would be talking about it. So it's just really hard to let anyone in. Like I had such walls around my heart that I never truly let anyone in.
If I was to ask like your sister or your best friend, like, what was it like dating Paris back then? What do you think they would say? Like, what were you like in a relationship?
I was very loyal. It was fun. We were going out every single night too, so it's hard to really have a serious relationship when you're every night going to a club, something's happening. And then a lot of times I would just be so over the person that, again, I hate confrontation, so to break up with them, so I would just ghost so many people. So I think that a lot of people would say that I was definitely like a heartbreaker and a ghoster.
I love that you're like, I really didn't want to end relationships, so it was like, I'm just gonna ghost them, and like, would you just like not answer them ever again?
Never answer them now, basically.
Did you ever make sure that a guy couldn't get into a club?
Yes. Yes. Anyone fucked with me, I would tell every single club, do not ever let him in. Like, I don't even care if I'm not even there. Just like totally blacklist them.
Baller.
Yeah.
Like, if you cheat, you basically can't go outside.
Yes.
Because like you won't be able to get into even restaurants. You started at the clubs, and the person's like, also restaurants in LA, restaurants in New York. Oh wow. That's like some power that like I feel like all the ladies watching are like, I wish I had that power to be able to do that. And do you think you had a type during
Ba't ko rin ang
the
ganun?
like if you could like if all of them were in this room, was there a type happening over there, Paris?
I don't know. I look back and like the
Pag mamawit, papaano?
What the hell was I thinking?
Why? What were they?
I was just like beyond. Like, I don't know. I just look back.
Mga bakla mag-makeup parang mukhang babae, bawal yan.
Not good guys.
Kwento mo.
Isn't it the worst when you're like, why did I
Kwento mo
let
sa
them
mga
say
ulo.
forever that they dated me?
Yes, I hate that.
O, tingnan mo yung mga comment, wow. Hindi naman ako nagbabasa ng comment, yun pa yun na ano.
Ano si Sika?
Yung mga parang nagme-makeup para magmukhang babae. Wow,
Okay, we
kwento
want to
mo.
talk about the simple life. During this time in your life, you get on a reality show, and it's The Simple Life, and it's with you and Nicole Richie, and it premieres, and like, it was literally the biggest thing. I remember like, it had like 13 million views an episode on
May wipes ka na?
on Fox. Like, it was unheard of
Wipes.
how insane this show blew up.
There.
Do you ever rewatch the show?
Yes.
You do. Tell me all your
Ay,
thoughts.
maganda eh.
Can you tell for anyone that's like younger that hasn't watched it, can you give like the premise of this reality show?
The Simple Life is basically about two best friends who
Gagasatay lang yun, ma.
these little small towns.
Nak yun lang yung nabasa ko.
Took away our money, our credit cards, our cell phones, and we basically live a simple life. But we have so much fun together and
Yan mo naman.
constantly getting fired from every single job and just like going and just like having these crazy adventures
It's
all across
It's-
Middle America.
Tell me what you think when you rewatch it.
I just laugh so much. Just I think that show is just so hilarious. Nicole's came over a couple times and we go into the movie theater room together at her house or here and just watch the episodes and just both just like laugh so hard that we're crying.
Did you enjoy filming it?
Yes,
How much of the show was actually real?
all of it. Especially the first season, they didn't let any of the camera people talk to us. Like we'd be like, "What do we do now?" They're like, no one was allowed to tell us any directions. Nothing.
Okay, so the less like glamorous side was I remember you said, it was in your book, you said like
Mabilisan lang
producers
gagawin
came
yung
to you
makeup
and they were
mo.
like, play the dumb blonde. Like play it up like and I think what was so interesting is like that is then like it is kind of like how America then saw you. It's like this like
Oo,
very
ano, ang
strong
galing.
blonde girl.
Ano?
Pinapakinggan mo siya eh.
Conception of you back then when everyone
Bago pa sabi yung story mo pare.
Napanood mo na ba ito?
Kalahati lang. Pero I like hearing your
So,
voice.
Nicole, you be the troublemaker. Paris,
Kasi hindi ko naman sa ini-study ko, pero like, alam ko kung kailan siya bumabali sa character niya. Kasi di ba, I'm like, di ba Paris Hilton na parang merong Paris Hilton voice, tapos nakikita ko siya na bigla siyang bumabali. Like,
Binubukha yun?
Alam mo kayo siya, pansinin mo, kapag girly-girly yung pinag-uusapan nila, bigla siyang babali. Bigla siyang, oh my gosh, yes.
shows everything, people expected me to continue being the character because it would be weird if all of a sudden I was just myself. And then I just kind of got like
Bumabali si
stuck in the
Alaga.
character almost. And it was difficult sometimes
I don't know.
for people to have so many misconceptions and assume that I was something that I wasn't.
Yeah.
But
Asa si Bak?
also just was like,
Ligo at tumatay.
Kailan ko ng ano mo?
sometimes.
Tuwag sa mo kami.
That's
Ikaw mo gusto lang ito eh.
fascinating. It's like,
Ako ba?
I remember middle
Wala mo kami ito eh.
Okay, sorry,
if
Trey.
the girl was dumb. Like it was like hot if the girls were just like dumb. And I now look back at that and I'm like, what?
Wala
I
ko
can
ganun.
see obviously what the producers were doing. It was
Saka iba yung payoff niya sa ano,
but
parang
I think
ano
for your
nangyayari.
real life, did you ever start to like resent that character?
Not resent it, but sometimes it would just be like, these people have no idea. But something I've always loved to do is prove people wrong. And I know that I've definitely done that now. And people can see that I'm not a dumb blonde. I'm just very good at pretending to be one.
I couldn't agree more. I feel like in your documentary, I
Wala,
feel like we got to really
No
see
tissue.
so many different
Better
sides to you. And
Ginger.
actually, I think a lot of people were like, oh my god. Because we had no idea this whole time like, how smart this girl is, how aware she is of this brand that she's built. And I think I remember something people were so fascinated by was like when you kind of talked about like the two different like voices you will use and kind of like interchangeably like
Parang
your
ikutin mo na yung camera.
the more like chill voice.
Gaga, wait lang. Mamaya na eh.
Parang cover. Cover siya.
Mamaya na yan, mamaya na eh.
Cover siya.
I've been doing
Oh, yeah,
so long that I can't even like control it. Like when I get shy, the voice will go higher.
Walang bar later, gagawa lang kami
And
ng
then
visual
when
ng
I just
friend
feel
ko.
a little bit more relaxed, it's more lower. But sometimes I have to tell myself like Paris, just talk in a normal voice. But I don't know what it is. I think just from so many years of doing it, it's just become a part of me.
Like you did the higher one for so long that I think that's why in the documentary you were more in your like normal tone. I think that's why so many people were like,
Yeah, I was shocked.
what does your most like authentic version of you look like?
Me just chilling in like my tracksuit, my socks, no makeup, hair pulled back, puppies all over me, and just being at
Walang
home
vibes.
with my husband and my puppies and my babies.
I love this specifically the song.
Or Violet style. Ano ba yun?
Jerry na yun.
Socks.
Watch that be like the one thing that trends from this episode. Like, I love socks.
Socks are hot.
She loves socks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I do want to talk to you about one thing that I think is like was very like
Yes, nasa etika.
huge, sadly, in pop culture is like you have spoken about a lot of really like traumatic sexual experiences that you've had in your life, and I think so many women have been able to connect to you even more because of how open you decided to be, especially in your documentary. It was like
Ang pangit ng payoff dito. Bakit ganun?
Really like, so public
What is
when
this?
you were 19 and you had filmed a sex tape with your current partner at the time, your boyfriend, and then a few years later he decided to leak it without your permission. And obviously the concept of like revenge porn is so huge nowadays, of women struggling to like have any autonomy over their body, essentially. Can you take me back to the moment when you found out that video had been leaked? Call Her Daddy is brought to you by Airbnb. Okay, as someone who has a summer birthday, yes, August babies, Leo babies, I get so excited to use my
Nakikinig ka ba ng podcast o minsan lang?
Depende sa topic.
Okay.
Ito hindi ko gets eh, kaya nakikinig din ako kasi gusto ko yan.
Lagay ko kay Post Malone na lang.
Figure out where I wanna
Hindi
go.
ko bet.
Kay Post Malone. Hindi mo ba si Post Malone?
Hindi man sa hindi bet si Post Malone, okay siyang artist. Pero
Hindi ka interested sa kanya?
hindi. No. Mas interested ako kay John Mayer pa eh. Pag alam mo yun, pag nagkwento siya ng gano'n.
Hindi na kasi naglalabas si Alaga.
Yun niya eh.
And that is where Airbnb comes in. Okay, I have been browsing the guest favorites section on Airbnb to see what amazing homes there are out there, and I'm honestly choosing my trip location around the house rather than the place, which is I'm kind of loving, because I have a lot of things that I look for when I'm looking at vacation rental. Okay, number one, does it have a hot tub? Number two, is it dog friendly? That's probably actually the number one. Is it private? Do we have a king bed? And can we be close to the beach? I know there's a lot, but I just want to make sure I'm cozy and comfortable.
Hi, Raising Kings
Like,
for
I'm
lunch. Miss ka kayo bigla.
in a
Me
home.
too, ate.
I also love being able to have all of my family stay together in one place. I know that sounds insane, but like for a vacation, and then like don't hang out with me after that. But you know what I mean. So I'm always looking for a spot that is very spacious with a big kitchen where we can all eat and drink wine all together. And Airbnb is the best way to make a trip, one to remember, because you get to enjoy not only a new city, but a new space within that city. If you just want to go somewhere but you don't know where yet, let Airbnb help make the decision. Guest favorites might inspire you. It's been inspiring me. And it may even create a new tradition, which is very exciting. So as you book your 2025 travel daddy game, my number one tip is to check out Airbnb first to find the perfect place to stay, because your accommodation can really make or break your trip. Can you take me back to the moment when you found out that video had been leaked? Like, where were you? Who were you with? How did you find out?
That was one of the most painful experiences of my life. My sister with me, we were in Australia, and I got a call from someone on the team, and they told me that one of the entertainment shows received a 30-second clip, and I did not believe it. I was like, what? Like, that has to be fake. Like, there's no way. Because I didn't even remember making it. And then they sent it to me, and I just like felt like my whole world was ending. Like, I was in hysterics, crying. I didn't know what to do.
Kumalat na muna ang sex tape.
I didn't even want to fly back.
Atake ni Alaga.
Because I
Pakalati
was
na muna ang
trying to
sex
get
tape.
these so many
Kasi talaga yun?
Oo, siya talaga
Sino
yun.
yung oto ko?
changing
Yung
my
jowa
life,
niya that
saying
time.
it's really my sister. I didn't know what to do.
Ipakalat na muna.
Saan talaga nagkalat?
Yes, yung oto ko.
I was supposed to go on a press tour for that.
Kalat na muna.
No way, I'm doing that. Canceled everything. And then just going
Kalat
back
na
home,
muna.
I just didn't want to leave my house. I was so depressed. I was so humiliated. I felt like I had let down my family, my little brothers, my sister. It was just, I put so much shame on myself. And now being an adult and looking back, I just realized that shame should not have been on me. I was a teenage girl,
Yeah, she was a
someone who I
teenage girl.
loved and was with in a relationship, and who I trusted. This was pre-internet.
Asan yung corona? Ito lang.
social media.
Ay, na-forget ko na naman. Hindi mo pinaalala na.
Di ba yun, Teo? Ito papakita ko sa'yo na.
Next time, dadalhin ko na talaga, promise.
Tapos basta nasa loob, basta ang umikot, parang ulo mo to. Ganun gagawin ko, hindi ko balo.
Dalhin ko na lang kay ulo din dito para hindi ko ma-forget.
Ganun ko nung
Ginintayan ko na yun.
Illegal.
Pero may best mo na ako dun eh, itong gold eh.
Get, sige.
So mean and
Go.
just the whole world watching.
Ikalat na muna ang
about it. Every late night I was just talking about
Ikot talaga yung camera.
And it's
Wait lang.
Ganun no, cover. Dito na.
Wait lang, wait lang.
someone that I loved and trusted.
Patapos na rin ako after ng mata. Wala
Wala
naman ng contact.
So frustrating about sex tapes is what you're doing is what everyone does. You're having sex.
Mag-shades kasi.
You decide to film it, but can you take me to like how did you feel about it when we filmed?
We've been together a while and he pressured me and irritates and I was like, no, he's like, oh, you're fine. No, I just call someone else. And kind of like threatened me in a way, like, okay, if you won't do it, then someone else is going to come here and do it. And I was just so dumb and so young and naive that I gave into it because I was scared that he would have someone else come over. But now looking back, if someone would say that to me now, I'd be like, fuck you, like, I never want to fucking look at you again. So it just makes me sad for myself that I let someone manipulate me like that. And now, for the rest of my life, people are going to judge me on that and assume that I'm a slut because of one night with someone.
That's what's really fucked up, and I feel like every time any woman is like exploited in media, I feel like it takes so many years for people to have the conversation about like the slut shaming that you endured. Like, can you talk a little bit about like how you handled like everyone was like you? I remember you wrote in your book. I wrote down, the world thinks of me as a sex symbol, and I'm here for that because symbol literally means icon. But when people saw that sex tape, they didn't say icon, they said slut and they said whore. Like, when you look back and now even having like a daughter on like yourself, like how do you think that should have been handled?
I think that they should have looked at it in a way like this is a teenage girl. Like, we shouldn't even be talking about this. Like, this person should be in jail. And the fact that people were just so mean and like thinking it's funny, like it was disgusting just to have to see it.
disgusting.
I don't know, just misogynistic people just being so judgmental and I don't know, everyone vilifying me,
Ang dami pera nila, Tay. Tangina, no?
celebrating him.
Natanong kasi, naghanap sila ng artist na pasabog talaga, tapos kahit 1 to 2 songs lang. Alam mo magkano budget?
Magkano?
Bakla 1 million na.
Sino?
Pissed me off.
Sila.
Yung brand namin.
Okay.
Yung brand namin.
That I was involved in this because that was the last
Wala mo masyadong maingay, bakla naka-live
of
daw.
my life. Like,
Wala mo masyadong chika ng mga logistics, ng mga pera-pera ng mga...
he gave that to me, he took all that away from me. And I could have never been the person I wanted to be.
Latorian siya.
Correct.
Latorian.
Being this like sex symbol,
Cover
this,
daw.
like hot woman that
Yeah,
everyone
no.
looked at in not even just America, the world. Like,
Alam mo itong brand na to,
curious,
Tay?
like, how you felt about
Ano yan?
yourself and your sexuality behind the scenes while
Oo, kaya ano yun ni Tyler, the Creator.
getting
Ah, talaga ba?
you,
Oo,
your
golf.
Sex tape.
Golf
talk-
one left layer.
Okay. Pero mga branding kasi sa akin,
I was
Tay.
scared
Ito.
about anything that had to
Sige ko
do
nga
with
dito ko, sabi ko, kung gusto mong tapang sa Deep Saber, sumukat sa laman ng meeting, mga ganyan.
Yes.
I
Magtatayo siya ng workwear na branding, tapos ang gusto niya,
would date people that
ano, parang atake siya na, ano yung Carhartt?
Mm.
And then
Pero may pambilat, may pangutong.
Yes.
Ganun ang atake.
symbol that
Tapos ang gusto niya, ganito,
Golf.
contrast nito, ng gold.
Oo.
So sabi ko, ganito bigyan natin. Kumbaga, night naman yung atake natin.
Gago, pakita mo yung Casablanca the brand. Casablanca, pasota mo ba? Kaya old money champagne for breakfast lifestyle.
Ang problema, te, yun nga sa Casablanca, ito, Paris.
Oo.
I felt like
Kasi yan yung may bilat eh. Alam mo ba nung una, puro menswear lang sila. Tapos
Ang high
nilagyan
fashion
mo.
na nito, te.
Ah, correct. Ano?
Nasa 2K, 3K lang yung SRP.
Gets. Pero kasi kailangan ganun mga ad.
Ganun talaga.
Kailangan mo magbenta ng fantasy for it to sell, hindi naman yung product itself.
I was putting on myself, and I'm curious, like, reclaiming your own sexuality. Like, how did you handle connecting with a man?
It took me a while. Just like people even gave me the nickname Miss Blue Baller. And that's what people would call me because I wouldn't do anything.
Nakahardan na.
But then in the public, people assume something else. And then I kind of just, fade into the character and
For me, ito talaga pinaka-favorite kong product. So, Ways to My Heart, white na Dior na liner. Kasi ito lang yung pinaka-white na liner na hindi nagka-crack. Tapos, creamy siya. Tapos, you can build up the color. So, kanina, hindi pa siya ganun ka-white. Pagka-ano natin siya nagiging white.
But then it also doesn't negate the fact that you are a human being and you are going home at night feeling so over-sexualized, and it's just it's a hard dichotomy of wanting to be seen for who you are, but also recognizing you still live in a man's world, so you're gonna play the fucking game in some moments. And I think the sex tape thing,
That's valid.
I think it was it's the perfect example of how wrong the world is with why was it all about you and how much of a slut and whore you were that what you had sex with your boyfriend. It's why is he not a predator at this point for putting something out like that? And I think I don't know, I just get frustrated when the narrative is still so skewed.
Diba,
I still see it to this day. If something comes out about a woman, you're not being well, who put it out? The man did. It's all on the woman. So I appreciate you sharing that, because I just think it's important to you are now a mother and you have built this empire, and I do think it's important sometimes to talk about these things because it reminds people something from your past that felt like the end of the world in that moment, it does not define.
Hindi na ulit sa kabila.
It's a lot.
Yung nag-flex ng mga nag-eyeliner na kabila, hindi na ulit sa kabila. Ganda.
Ito lang yan.
Correct, wakla. Pantay na lang muna.
Copy-paste yan.
Imi-mirror sa kabila yung Wiz, kaya ko yun.
But it's amazing how you use your voice and really inspire others to just be open about who they are.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to wrap it up. Okay. What is a recent purchase that you spent too much money on? Don't lie to me.
That's Chanel in Paris during Fashion Week, but it actually was a lot of money. My husband is so sweet. He's I want you to have a pretty woman moment. I was going on a sister trip to Paris with my little sister and for her birthday. And he's here's my credit card, go and spend whatever you want. And it was our 46th month anniversary. So it was just so sweet.
Done.
Here's my card, go and Chanel and buy whatever you want. So I guess that wasn't me, but
what did you buy?
I bought these shoes. So much jewelry, so many purses, sunglasses, just it was so much fun.
Pasigaw naman po kayo dyan. Si Sharino, bakla nagko-comment na dito na, wow, yung kachika mo ngayon, bakla nandito siya sa live, oh. Dead man na muna dyan, gaga dito.
Sino?
Ayun mismo, naalala ko yung DP, bakla nandito siya sa live. Pasigaw naman kayo, Just, pagkasot ako, it's a tie.
Parang si Sarina.
Those models, man.
Ang lakas na ng keyboard ko, pero
I feel like it's just not attractive. I don't know.
Right, get your own credit card.
Yeah, it's beyond.
It's beyond.
Some people I just lose all respect for them.
pag may music mo ban ka, kahit or...
Try mong OPM, hindi masyadong ban kapag...
Pero pagka yung, international artist,
Oo.
Bukayote. OPM.
Hindi, i-lo-fi mo siya na, hindi siya bukayo. Pag naka-lo-fi.
Ay, ito. Power yun. Dari mo, ang ganda nito.
Oh, I do this one fine. Naka-reverb. Ayan, carry on. Nakparam daw pang ahit. Yung disposable.
Meron ako yung clear.
Ha?
Yung...
Meron din ako nun eh.
Pang zero. Yung ginagamit ko, yung pang zero ba?
Oo, yung pang zero. Yun pa ako.
Yung zero na kaya. Hindi mo na rin. Kasi kasi mali na siya. So, patay ko to kasi may kulay yung ilaw.
Eh yung ano, yung nabash na ano ng hosik, ganyan yung ano. Ganyan yung brat, di ba? O siya na kumain, ikaw mag-tsaka yung ilo ah. Chika-chika. Ganda. Uy, ganda. Di ba brat? Bakla brat pala eh. Uy, yan tuloy. Bash. Bakla. Atake mo brat ka. Go. Kulit mo na. Ganda ko dyan. Atake nyo, di ba brat yung atake? Go, brat.
8 po ka.
Correct. Gaga 10 book na petition. Gaga. Sota mo.
Gago.
Oo, gaga. Sumama ka ulit, may kichika. Go. Si Sharina na.
Parang ano, Maggie? Sabi ko kung nagkita na lang tayo.
Correct. Ataka niya, party for you. Go, party for you.
Pero parang ito, ang iba.
Go.
Parang iba. May marami na ba yung rock na free?
What if this song is in Tagalog? Pwede mong kikinig.
Yun na.
Atake mo, brat ka. Ayun tuloy, 10 po. 10 po petition. Alam mo.
Okay. Hindi sa akin na rin yan ah.
Ha? Totoo ba?
Oo, tayo.
Huwag ka maihihib ako, nakalive ako.
Max it out.
Ang hirap nyo ka dyan sa live. Baka yung mga machichika na mga hindi kabog.
Parang ito.
Huwag ka ba, ikaka-cancel ko. Go, laban. Tsaka.